Welcome to Sparks Parts. We ship genuine OEM Toyota parts straight from our dealership to your door. Today we're looking at the 2013 to 2018 Toyota Avalon front and rear splash guard mud flap set, a complete 4-piece kit that mounts behind each wheel to block road spray, rocks, and slush before they hit your paint. This set fits the 2013 through 2018 Avalon, including XLE, XLE Premium, Touring, and Limited trims. Your 2013 to 2018 Avalon's front and rear splash guards shield the paint, rocker panels, and lower body from rocks, salt, and road debris kicked up by the tires. Without them, you're looking at chipped paint and accelerated corrosion on the exact panels most expensive to repaint. Genuine Toyota OEM guards are contoured to the Avalon's body lines for a flush fit, include all 4 pieces plus the correct hardware, and won't sag or rattle like universal aftermarket sets. Head to our website to shop the full Toyota catalog. Every part is genuine OEM, backed by the factory warranty, covered by our fitment guarantee, and ships fast. Not sure if this part fits your car? Give us a call with your VIN ready and we'll confirm the exact right part for your Avalon. You'll find your VIN on the dashboard at the base of the windshield, inside the driver's door jamb, or on your registration card. 17 digits that identify your exact vehicle. Shop with Sparks Parts, genuine parts every time. Don't settle for aftermarket.